Was signed today by district administration, primarily DRDA, with Oil India Limited, which is a public sector undertaking in the field of oil and gas exploration. This MoU was regarding construction of 47 girls' toilet in schools where no separate girl toilet is present as of now. This MoU was signed based on our request to Honorable Union Minister of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Shri Hardeep Singh Puri sir, when he had visited BHOI. So we placed request that 47 schools are there which do not have a separate girls' toilet. He immediately directed Oil India Limited, and through that, today we are signing an MoU today. 47 girls' toilet at the total cost of around rupees 70 lakhs plus. Started, we'll write to them for releasing the first installment, and thereafter the construction work will start. Oil India Limited being a central government company, they have very strict control over the quality parameters and etc. So they will also be supervising from their end, and from district administration will be supervising. So hopefully we'll be able to complete all these toilet constructions by Christmas.
So are you happy with this MoU being signed to this?
Absolutely, absolutely. So BHOI is an aspirational district as well. NITI Aayog regularly monitors different indicators, development indicators. One of the development indicator is how many schools have separate girls' toilet, and we always used to, feel sorry for the schools which do not have separate girls' toilet. And fortunately, now that we have signed this MoU, hopefully every school will be covered through.